Hi guys! Yes, the 3D printed ZIL-137 project was really extensive. But now it's done, and this will be the final episode for a while. I added final details like license plates, a fire extinguisher. You can find the STL models of all these new parts on my Thingiverse. And some B-pillar handles. Everything was designed in Fusion 360 and 3D printed in PETG. I also added a WPL driver. An important final touch was to add tail lights to the trailer. The cables are routed inside the chassis. I drilled holes for 3mm LEDs in the stock rear end. Then I made a little distributor board with 200 ohms resistor. The trailer is connected to the truck using DuPont connectors. Finally, everything was connected to my DIY tail light driver. Details about this driver can be found in my JJRC Q60 video. First, let me show you some photos of the final result. It doesn't look bad, I think. But it was a very extensive and difficult project. Finally, after about 7 months of work, it was time for the test drive. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss upcoming projects. Bye!